I wanted to share my experience with other veneer companies compared to pop-on veneers. First of all, my natural smile, a few missing teeth from medication I've been on. I wanted a straight, complete smile. The issue I had with the first set that I got from a different company, they didn't make them straight. I called and I asked them to please remake them, as this is not what I asked for. They wouldn't do it and they wouldn't stand behind the product. So I went with pop-on veneers. Perfect, absolutely perfect, beautiful. The shipping is fast. The customer service is amazing. If you call, if you email, they are very responsive. They are very communicative. The other company that I went with first, you couldn't get a hold of them. It took forever for shipping. It took forever for them to answer emails. So I am a huge pop-on veneers fan. I hope this helps you if you are questioning who to go with and who to purchase your veneers from, because you'll be very happy.